Good afternoon, families. This is Equacia Smith Rooch with Civic Nebraska, and we have launched off our Civic U page where we will be doing amazing activities. And my focus will be gardening. And today, Greg from Whispering Roots is here, and Sarah and Kaya, and they are starting to build the flower beds. I am so excited. One of our values at Civic Nebraska is innovation. When you make change to do things for the better. So we're going to change our lives and live a healthier life and start eating more vegetables and not meat because of the coronavirus. So they're going to basically put 2 of those in the yard. They came early, as you heard, because it's going to rain tomorrow. And then they'll get the soil dropped off, and then we'll start getting some gardening done. Sorry I had to leave. The camera had to go put Victoria to sleep. She was whining. So thank you for tuning in, and I love you. Please stay safe.